G'day guys, 2018 Mazda 3. I think it's the same from 2016. If you do not have a touchscreen, you want to reset your service, hold this little button, right, turn the ignition to on, foot off the brake, hold it for at least 5 seconds, it'll flash 3 times, and let it go and turn the ignition off. For vehicles with the touchscreen display, go to apps, vehicle status monitor, maintenance, obviously using this, okay. The oil change setting is off here, scheduled maintenance, okay. When is it due? Give him 9 months. This guy drives tons. This car's got 83,000 Ks and it's 1 year old and a bit. So I'll give him 9 months. Anyway, it'll be whatever's due first. Put 8.5 here. I've used the full synthetic oil. There we go. Okay. It's rounded up itself. And it's 6 months. There you go. I don't have the logbooks here. He's left them at home, so normally we check all that. But it's interesting which cars are 6 months and which are a year. So Mazda's obviously set this up. I bet in the US it's set to a year or they wouldn't buy the car. But in Australia here, the dealers do whatever they please with no recourse. Anyway, all reset. The little spanner light's now off. And bear in mind, that's the touchscreen display. If you've fast forwarded, in the beginning of the video is the non-display model by using this button up here. Okay, bye.